Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 Coupe 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. Comes with sports tuned suspension, 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one is certified pre-owned. Black MB-Tex interior with a gloss black center console and aluminum trim. Panorama sunroof. Turn around back, rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate. Got a set of all-season floor mats and regular. Power liftgate. Memory seats, heated seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sills, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate control, hard keys for media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 28,813 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC Coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.